So we've got courses ranging from beauty, hair and nails. There's so many to choose from. Some of our most popular ones are, in our nail sector, we've got our complete nail tech course, which is definitely one that I would recommend. And it's going to cover everything you need to know. So whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills. Within the beauty section, we've got our lashes, we've got makeup courses, we've got brows. Again, so much there to learn from. We've also got massage courses as well. And then moving into our hair, we've got our hair extensions, which is always a winner and definitely one not to be missed. So who are our courses for? So there's so many people that our courses are suitable for. So what I'll do is just try and break them down into the three main categories of people that we speak to on a daily basis. So firstly, you've got your people who are busy currently doing their job at the moment. Maybe they're working in a totally different industry and they want to upgrade their skills and change career. Then this can be done at home of an evening after they've finished their daytime work or maybe at the weekend. And then you've got your busy parents. So whether you're a mum on the run, we all know how life gets so busy when you're a parent. We get the kids in bed in the evening, then we can train and we can rebuild our skills. Or again, it can be done at the weekend. But most importantly, it can be done at your own pace and your own speed in your own time. And then thirdly, you've got the group of people that maybe just don't fancy going back into a classroom provider. You know, that classroom environment, they've had enough. They don't really fancy sitting in that situation with lots of people around them, maybe a little bit of anxiety. Then again, simply all training can be done at home of an evening, weekday, whenever is suitable for you. You can do a couple of hours this day, a couple of hours that day. But most importantly, it's done at your own speed and your own pace in your own time and in the comfort of your own home. Have instant access to your student portal. Now this student portal has everything that you need. You will firstly have a username and a password which will enable you to log in. And in this portal, you will be able to find everything from your ebooks, which has all of your course information within it, which you can read through in your own time and at your own pace, and also refer back to at any point. Secondly, you will have your question and answer section. So you'll have workbooks to work through with multiple choice questions. So once you've read your ebooks, you then do your questions, and then you move on to your training videos. So they're full training videos that will take you step by step through your learning, a really guided way of learning, simple and really effective. And then after that point, it's then your time to shine and it's your time to go away and put this into practice. And this is where we ask you then to take before and after pictures of your work that you're doing, from case studies to evidence, whether it's nails, hair or beauty. And then you need to upload them to this portal. Once it's all uploaded, you'll simply hit submit. That work then comes through to myself, which I will then spend the time going through and marking, and then I will feed back to you. Now, hopefully at this stage, you will gain your certification and be able to get accredited to work within the industry. If there's any little bits that I need to feed back to you that maybe you need to work a little bit more on, you'll have that opportunity at this time to go away, work on it, and then resubmit your work. You can do two options. You can either purchase the course on its own, and maybe you have products at home or you want to purchase your kits elsewhere, then that's absolutely fine. Or you can purchase the course and kit directly from us, which we will then provide you with everything that you need to complete your course and upload all of your evidence. I've specifically put these courses and kits together so I know that you're going to have everything that you need within that one kit. And it's a really simple and effective way of learning by purchasing the course and kit together. So for example, when you're completing our nail courses, you'll have a practice hand like so, like the one I've got in front of me, where you can practice on, but also complete all of your practical evidence on and upload your pictures for. So if you're struggling with models or you don't have people around you that will allow you to work on them when you're practicing, then this is your option. So remember, it's course on its own or course and kit together. 2 different options. So this is something new for you. So maybe you want to learn at home and you want to complete the online side, but you just want that extra support, that feeling of having a tutor in front of you, guiding you step by step. Then the virtual courses are perfect for you. This allows you to have access to a 2-hour virtual course with myself, which I will go through problem solving, take you step by step through your procedures. We can talk through any problems that you may be having, and again, guide you through that learning experience. So that's our virtual courses that is combined with the online side, just giving you that extra option of having that tutor support.